Kia ora and welcome to this module on the chemistry of metals from pots to power lines. Now, again you're going to be working towards two standards, of which only one counts towards the level 1 certificate, the external standard or the internal standard, which you can do at any time during the year, and you just finish this one to complete the internal. Otherwise, you do all three to go through to the to complete for the external. I suggest you do all three modules if you're going to be carrying on with level 2 chemistry. The overview, you get your hyperlinks of all the different lessons so you can find your way around quickly. Remember, the teacher marked assignment is what we want to see and must be uploaded to the Dropbox. And you will need this, and there's quite a few experiments on this topic, so you need the science equipment box for this. The connections tab, it shows you how all the different concepts appear across the chemistry in this course. So if you're not quite sure of something, you will be repeating it in other parts of this course. And again, this module is very good for the CH1042 standard, which is the 9116 for level 2 chemistry standard. Okay, you've got, when you go to the lessons, you've got 3 different tabs: resources, what and how. The resources gives you the table of ions, solubility rules, reactivity series, and the periodic table. So they're there on every lesson for you to refer to, and will appear in assessment tasks and exams, so you don't have to learn off by heart. Again, you've got the hyperlinked lessons, and you've got what you are learning. So at the end of the lesson, you must make sure you're able to do that. Right, let's carry on with the 3 cornerstones. This always, when you're thinking of chemistry, think of these different things: the facts of chemistry, which is what you see, hear, smell, and so on; the theory of chemistry, which is our explanations based on particle theory; and model, which is how we represent the chemistry. So chemistry is a particular language with symbols, formulae, equations. So, for example, in metals, we find all metals are shiny, they conduct heat, they're malleable, so we can shape them, they are ductile, we can turn them into wires, and they conduct electricity. So those are the facts. The microscopic is the explanation, so we explain it by our bonding theory of metal atoms being very closely packed, sharing the electrons, and these electrons are delocalized, so they are free to move, so it can conduct electricity. More about it during this module. And then the model is how we explain it with word equations, symbol equations, formulae, and diagrams. Right, your best learning: remember, make notes, think and process as you go through it. Check your answers. Have you given all the detail? Do you know all the key points? And then, just as a reminder about the interactive PDFs, download it to your desktop, then open it. Don't leave it in your browser, because then you can't hyperlink it or use superscripts or subscripts. So all the best for your learning. Goodbye.